Welcome back, friends. And today I'd like to go over this Tai Chi form called Repulse the Monkey. So we'll start off. I did it twice. And I'll go a little slower, and if you watch the footwork, it's a arcing. And when you arc, you're stopping not directly behind your front foot. You're arcing and it's off to the side. So you could think of it like a 60-40 stance. Arc, arc, like this. So, here we go. And my intention or my focus is not, it's more in the middle. It's not exactly the left hand or the right hand. And when I'm breathing, when my arms are expanding out, I'm inhaling. And then when I'm contracting where my arms or hands are coming in towards my body, I'm exhaling because I'm decompressing, where I'm compressing my lungs. So I want the air to come out of the lungs. And when I open up the arms, I'm opening up the chest cavity. That way I want to open up the lungs also. That's why I'm inhaling. So. And when I'm bringing the hands down, I want to clear the energy from my hands. That's the health focus, is that you want to be clearing the meridians. And the martial aspect I'll show you later. So my front foot, whatever your front foot is like on a toe stance, a very light toe stance. So it's easier to pivot into that arc instead of having a flat foot and doing it. It's a little easier to pivot on your toes instead of trying to pivot on your heels or flat-footed. So I'll go this way, that way you can see a different view. Now I'll go this way so you can see at a different angle. And there you can see the foot position and the footwork. Like I said, you don't want it directly. You don't want that arcing foot directly behind your front foot, because that's the reason why you don't want it directly behind is because it can throw your balance off. So if you arc and it's off to the side, you have a wider area that you're covering. That way you have a stronger stance. And that's what's very important is your footwork. That way you can have a good stance, a solid stance. So one more time. And there you have it. So, like, a few things to remember is the footwork, the arcing, and the breathing. I know there's a lot to cover, but if you can just start on just the hand position and the form itself, and then you can incorporate the footwork with, and then once you get the footwork down, then you can incorporate the breathing. But all these elements are very important. That's why it can take a little longer to learn this, but it's well worth it. So there you have it, friends. The Repulse the monkey. Until next time, friends, have a great day.